how to find best Amazon deals faster. So the first thing that we're gonna do is jump straight to Amazon's hidden deal hub instead of searching in the main search bar. So what we're gonna do is simply open our applications, and in here make sure you're logged into your account. Then you can simply tap on your search bar right here, and instead of writing something normal, what we're gonna do is write something like Amazon warehouse deals and Amazon outlet store, or Amazon digital coupon hub, or Amazon renewed store. So after writing those specific keywords and writing the exact product you want, you will be able to find the best Amazon deals faster. So for example, I'm going to search for a renewed product. So I'm going to search for a renewed iPhone. Here you can see, tap on that one, and now I will get all of the renewed iPhone on a best price. Here you can see even the Alexa has given me all of the options. So in here you can tap on see more in order to see the exact model that you want, and like this you'll be able to find best Amazon deals faster, and that's it.